Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are in Troy, Ohio. We are at MIG RV and Marine Supercenter. We want to thank Chris and Aaliyah from MIG RV and Marine Supercenter for having us. And if you like this RV, make sure you give them a call. We're looking at something we've never seen before. It is very cool, very unique. It is an Ibex RV suite. This is the RVS1. Let's take a look. Now, unlike most travel trailers that we look at, this has a completely different look and feel. It almost actually looks and feels like a destination trailer, but it is not. It is a travel trailer. You will see, though, in here on the side, there is no storage underneath like you would normally have in a travel trailer. If you look up, there's an awning that covers from just about to the front all the way to the back. Traditional RV steps here with a nice extension handle. You have a sliding glass door to get in. Dual axles. You have frameless windows, which are great. Asdel siding. We have this really nice porch back here, and obviously a separate entrance with stairs. So, and it's covered, permanently covered, which is great. So you have a little porch out back. Stabilization, they're manual, so you just crank those down and it will stabilize the RV and level it up. As we move around to the back, there is a hitch for carrying accessories. Coming around to the other side, here is our water connections. Here's your power connection. And your sewer connection is right there for flushing out all your, or for the flushing, sorry. Here's your black tank flush right here. All right, let's take a look at the weight, Lisa. This has a gross vehicle weight of 9,590 pounds and a cargo carrying capacity of 2,141 pounds.
Wow.
All right, moving along to the front, if you notice, there's no propane tanks here. Why? There's none needed. This is completely electric, no propane, all right? So this big box is where you put your batteries, and you can store some things in here as well, all right? There is an electric jack to get it on and off your tow vehicle. So let's go look inside because this is really cool. Now, as you see, as you come in here, it just reminds me of a tiny home. It's like the combination of a tiny home and a destination trailer, but made in the form of a travel trailer. So normally Lisa will do the kitchen, but since I'm sort of standing in the kitchen already, I'll just do it. First of all, you have this classic looking refrigerator, which is really sweet. Again, it's all electric. Moving in, you have a nice contour convection microwave oven. You have induction cooktops up here on the top, solid surface countertops, a nice deep round sink with a huge tall faucet, which is great. You can move it around and, you know, spray stuff if you need to. All right. There's power up here on both sides. Right. There is a shelf up top as well for putting whatever you need to put up there. There's also these hooks here so you can hang things off the hooks. From a drawer standpoint, you have 3 drawers over on this side, and you have some nice storage underneath there as well. This does have a central vacuum system in it, which is over here. So if you're sweeping, this is a toe kick, you just, no hoses, you just kick that and you can sweep it right in, which is great. Now this is also your living room. So let's just do an about face real quick so we can see the living area, because your TV is right here, all right? So is your control panel. You have a fireplace in here as well, which is great. So, you know, Lisa can warm her freakishly tiny cold feet, all right? And you got a couple little cubbies for putting things as well. Now, I'm going to reverse again, and I don't want to get you all dizzy, but here's your sofa. But even the sofa is unique because it's a transformer. So, watch this. So there you go. A sofa sectional, right? Is that cool, Lisa, or what?
That is really cool.
What do you think of that, guys? Leave a comment below. We just think that's really, really neat. So, yeah, a sofa sectional. I just think that's cool. Now, we're going to leave that up for now, but I just think that's really neat. So behind Lisa, well, let's see what's behind Lisa. Oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for Tall Man's Toilet Test.
If this is your first time finding one of our videos, I am 6'4", so use my height as reference as we're walking around this amazing travel trailer. Also, if it's your first time, do us a huge favor. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up, become part of the Tall Man Clan. It is free to you, costs you nothing, and we would absolutely appreciate it. Thank you so much. So, as you can see from my height, there are no issues at all sitting here. You could be Shaquille O'Neal and sit on this, okay? No problem for the tall or fluffy. Just to my right, as you see, there's 2 vessel sinks, his and hers. Love that, with some cool faucets, 2 windows, a nice light up there, which is great. The only thing missing, if you will, would be a medicine cabinet or medicine chest, but there's plenty of storage underneath for all of that. You have a nice space there, plumbed really nice and out of the way. 3 drawers on one side, 3 drawers on the other. There's also a cabinet here, as well as up top. So plenty of storage. There's also a place for a towel, for your toothbrush and toothpaste, so they've really thought about everything. And then behind the shower here, there's also a cubby for putting towels and things. I'll take you over there. So, and that's really deep, so you can put a lot of towels in there. And let's climb in the shower. Now remember, I'm 6'4", like I said. Now, I don't actually have to stand in the skylight. Now, I'm close, but I can just get my hand up there. When I'm standing in the skylight, I could be 6'8", okay, in the skylight. It's got a cool rain shower sort of head with a body wash and a hand spray. I guess that would be for my knees. And this looks to be about a 36 by 30 shower, maybe 32 by 30. So not too bad. I really like that, right? So there's one other thing we want to show you in here, and it's this right here. You can even put a stackable washer and dryer. Now, here's a combo in here right now, but you could put a stackable in here, right? And if not, you do the combo and you have some other shelves and maybe some place to hang, which is really neat, right? I love that.
Me too.
Right?
Yeah.
All right, so we covered the kitchen, the living room, but, you know, you might be wanting to, know where the dining area is. So here's your dining area right back here. So you've got a couple of tall bar stools that come with it, and this nice table, little nook up here to put some things. Come on back in here, Lisa. There you go. All right, and so there's also a TV back here. It's above Lisa's head. So if you're eating and you're watching a show and you want to, watch it while you're eating, there it is. There's a TV, all right? There's also access. So Lisa's going to the back porch right now, so we'll show you that. So here's the back porch area. We put some of the stuff out here. There's a grill that comes with this, as you see. It actually mounts to that hitch in the back, that utility hitch. But yeah, nice back porch area, guys, with a sliding door as well. And there's screens, so if you want to leave it open for some cross ventilation, there's screens on here. One for the front, one for here. But I guess you want to know where the bedroom is. So let me show you where that is. Now look at that! That looks to be a residential queen-size bed. Let's get a measurement on it. Nope, 78. So close. 78 by 66. So it's an RV king, right?
Wow.
60 by 80 would be a residential queen. Anything over 60 width goes into a king category. So it's an RV king. I'll just lay on it so you guys can see. I mean, look at, and this is actually a comfortable mattress, Lisa.
It looks like it's comfortable.
This is great.
Yeah.
All right, so there's some cubbies back here, as you can see, right back here. There's power and USB On both the cubbies, there's one on either side. So if you have a CPAP machine, you could put that in there. There's closets up here. Lisa will open that for you guys. Right, for hanging on the top. And storage in the bottom. All right, isn't that awesome?
That is amazing.
Absolutely. And so let's get this put back up. You just pull that little lever right there. Push it up. How's that for making the bed?
I like that. I like that a lot.
Shit.
And there you go. All right. So let us know what you think of this travel trailer. Sort of destination trailer, sort of tiny home. All electric, no propane. We were told it works on AI technology. Yeah, if you really like this, give the people here at MIG RV and Marine in Troy, Ohio a call. And until we see you again somewhere on the road, be safe.